Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review of CLASSiC Games Dice, or Game Dice. 10 pieces, so you get 10 dice. All of them's going to be 6-sided dice. Dollar store, you know. So if anyone's wondering where do I pick it up at, the dollar store. Which, I mean, it's not bad, you know. You're getting 10 dice for $1 plus, sales tax at the dollar store. I mean, if you're playing games that you're going to need dice, and, you're going to need a couple dice, but you don't need anything big or odd like, D8s or anything like D10s, D20s, D36, D64, D100s. You just need a standard pair of a D6 dice like this. Now, Magic the Gathering, these probably won't work that great for Magic the Gathering. Definitely, Dungeons and Dragons, no, they're not going to work. But something like Yu-Gi-Oh!, because some card tests on Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards will say you need to roll 1 or 2, standard D6 dice. So, something for a Yu-Gi-Oh! Game, if you happen to have that card that has the effect that says you must physically own and roll a dice, not a bad price, for a pair of dice. Because I know other Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards say flip a coin, some cards will say roll dice, so 10 dice for $1, not that bad. The quality of them, let's see. They're more the take it or leave it ones. As you can kind of see, this one did not get filled in all the way. And let me see if I can get the can to focus on it. There we go. Like that one did not get filled in all the way. This one did not get filled in all the way. So there is little imperfections in these dice. Now, I don't know if the dice are actually truly 100% imperfection, Because, there's one way to really check your dice and make sure that, your dice are always going to be rolling the same number, that they're perfect dice, they're perfectly balanced, and that tip and trick is good cup, fill it up with salt, put in water, have a saltwater cup, put your dice in there, they're full to the top. That means, no one thing is good going in your favor for that. If they sink, something's wrong. Oh man, it was the dice. But if they're floating, they're good. And number 2 is, as they're floating, you just take your finger and kind of give it a little flit. And see where it lands on. If it's always coming up like a 2, you do the next foot, it comes up a 2, and next foot, it comes up a 2 again. Then hey, something's wrong with that dice. Throw that dice away. It's defective. But if it comes up, 5, 6, 3, 1, something like that, then okay, the dice are perfect. All you gotta do is, just take them out of the salt water, clean them up with a paper towel, and you're good to go. I know a lot of Magic the Gathering players, even some, well, not Magic the Gathering players. Mostly it's Dungeons and Dragons players, but I guess this tip will also help Magic the Gathering players too. To check your dice to make sure that, they're in perfect working order. Because a lot of dice, if you play with them a long time, they do get dented up, dinged up, and they will eventually wear out. They're like, oh man, they look perfect. Well, I'll show you some of those ones here that, that I can't even find it now. I know it's on one of these, the ones. Yeah, like this one, see? So you can start off with something like this. Perfect. And after like a couple games start wearing down like this, you're like, I could just leave it or paint it. Yeah. Put it in the saltwater, dice balance chapter. If it keeps coming up 1 every single time you spin it, then time to take that dice, throw it into the garbage can. See if it's a critical garbage. Oh, would you let that? Can of 1. Critical garbage! Cast the spell up. Toss it away in the garbage can. And time to crap on your wallet and buy a brand new one. So yeah. I mean, for $1 for 10 dice, They're CLASSiC or DiCE'S, if you will. Yeah, not that bad. So yeah, definitely I'll put a link down below in the description there to check out that guy's channel, so you can learn how much water and salt you need for the dice balance thing. But yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.